Yes, hello everyone. Today we are in Tanjaro River. We just came to visit to see the situation. You know that the wastewater from Suleimani city, plus the industrial waste, the wastes from the factories and different types of industrial company will join the Tanjaro River. Then later it will join Durban Khan Lake. Then the branch, you know, the tributary of the river will going to join near Baghdad, which this source of water will going to feed 3.5 million people in Iraq. So 3.5 million, which is a very huge amount of population, will going to be affected of this polluted water because the wastewater will join this source without any treatment. Now my friend Professor Dr. Ahmed from American University of Iraq Suleimani will going to explain some parts related to the hazardous waste.
Hi everyone. Based on the initial studies about what is available chemical composition of the wastewater that we are here in this river, there are some dangers, very dangerous, and is banned by EPA, which is Environmental Protection Agents material. These materials actually lead, mercury, and we have also radioactive contamination with the acid and with the calcium sulfate, which are these affecting on the body of the human being, especially for the children, which is up to 12 years old. Make a lot of skin problems, cancers in the body, also cancers inside the bone of the human being.
Yeah, exactly. Even some samples have been taken from the Tanjaro River and have been tested in different laboratories in Suleimani city. I have read from some scientific report that more than 240 threats have been found in the samples of the water. So imagine 240 threats, 240 problems, issues they found it in the content of the water or the wastewater.
Some of this chemical composition are affecting on the damage of the liver for human being. Liver, so now based on the temporary issues that we are collecting in the hospitals in the Suleimania, we are facing very big issue for two major things for body of the human of the kids, and also we have that liver damage for most of the people that is available now in the hospitals around Suleimania.
Exactly.
So not only one sector, I'm sorry for interruption, not only one sector must be done, study on this river sectors, materials, chemical composition, soil treatment, also contamination of the groundwater table must be studied in the future.
Exactly. Even one of the main reasons behind cholera disease in Suleimani is this water, Tanjaro River, because it's wastewater, and you know we have some death cases in Suleimani just occurred in the previous years.